Dude 2010, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous figures, and let me just put this aside, a little mystery pack. So this is going to be the last, and I'm going to do this guy first, and then, yeah, the order will go so on and so on. So, yeah, let's start getting to the unboxing part, shall we? First, we're going to be taking a look at the Snap Squad Spinosaurus, because this is actually my first Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park in my entire Jurassic World Jurassic Park collection. So that's why I want to do this one first. So just get these scissors out, and it shouldn't be too hard to get, right? Oh, I'm keeping all these boxes because I've never got a Snap Squad figure. I was just in Target and I just stumbled upon this, so yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, this okay. No, I'll just try going over here instead. He's been snipped out of prison. Actually, no, not just yet. He's not been snipped just yet. And there. And 1, 2. There. Now we got our little. His legs are a bit wobbly. I never knew that. Wait, are all Snap Squad figures like this, or is this one broken? So here's a box. Now the figure, it says Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous, Netflix series, shows it snapping Spinosaurus at the very bottom, Snap Squad with Blue and Tell. On the side, just copyright information. That's how all of them are. Put this, no, I can put this right there, and let's see what the figure, what the figure has for articulation. Well, both of his front arms move up and down. I think all of them are supposed to be kind of like wobbly. Like, so, yeah. So his arms move like that. They just go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And his legs move, they like kick forward. Okay. Kick forward and then kick back. Oh, jeez. And the other leg kicks forward and then kicks back. And then his tail just goes wag, 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 wag. And then his mouth, this is why they call it Snap Squad. Let's put this in, right there. It goes, roar. Kind of like a crocodile. I mean, that's what Spinosaurus kind of was. It was more like a crocodilian dinosaur. And here's how it looks whenever it stands up. The eye color is so good. I don't know how they did it. But yeah, now let's get into paint and detail. It looks kind of rough, but I'm going to tell you this, it's kind of soft. It's soft plastic, I think. And, oh my goodness, the spine, the shading on it is so good. Look at that. Look at that. I like the green on it. I don't think, have we ever gotten a green Spinosaurus figure? I know we got, like, a turquoise one for Lost World. I don't think we ever got a green one. We did just get a new Mattel one, the Extreme Shocking Spinosaurus, but I don't think it was green, was it? I think it was like greenish gray, so it's not completely green. This is like vomit green, not in a bad way. No, not in a bad way. That's just what the color is, to me. And it's not all vomit green. The bottom of his mouth is brown. His eyes are orange. Actually, when you look at it, looks like someone just seen a ghost. So, his eyes are pretty good though. Not gonna lie. And they got this like little red outline, so it looks like he's just like. So, yeah. He has scales on him, so that's good. his little toes are black as claws. But up here they're just all green because it'd be really incredibly hard to paint such little tiny claws. So I didn't see why they didn't do that. Looks like he got little freckles. Looks like he has freckles. Just me, or does it look like that? And there's just like this brown streak going like out of his eye, as it looks like. Same thing with the other side. His spine on the camera looks kind of darkish red. I'm telling you, it's like maroon. And the bottom part of the spine is the same as that color. It's vomit green. Don't mean that in a bad way. It just is. So that was the Snap Squalor Spinosaurus. And oh no, I forgot the inside of the mouth, didn't I? Look at that. Look at that detail. And this is also from Camp Cretaceous, so if the rumors are true that the kids are gonna go to Isla Sorna, then maybe we could see Spinosaurus. So that'd be pretty cool. And yeah, it's a good figure. Of course, they didn't have this, but then like the little part gets pressed down on it. But they kind of have to put that there so you can actually do the snaps. Oh, that'd be a hilarious prank, because you'd be like, Mom, hold your finger out. That'd be funny. It won't come off. You have to actually like lift up the jaw. But jeez, this was meant for torturing people's fingers, wasn't it? Huh. Some Italian guy, unkid friendly, huh? I'm just gonna put this over here. We'll stand up. There, I can stand up, I guess. No, we'll do the Triceratops. Yeah, I found the Triceratops at Target too. Oh god, there was the Triceratops. It looks beautiful. I like it. It's not dark green like Spinosaurus. In a bad way again. Just, I don't know, I like it. So, yeah, let's get him out of his little, packaging prison. Is that? Packaging prison. Let me say that more in one of my videos. So, let's snap. And then over here. Don't worry, it's not injured. We'll put the box down here with Spinos. And I think it's beautiful. Really, it is. Yeah. So, articulation is right here. You actually have to use the crest. Hey, I have a problem with this thing already. Look, it has sharp teeth. It's supposed to have, like square teeth, not triangle teeth. You're already doing bad, but I'm gonna hate this thing forever. No, I don't actually hate it, don't worry. I'm not that mean. Typical old little cute toy. So, you press the head to go back, and then you'll snap. See if it's another finger torture device. Yeah, it is another finger torture device. So, and then his two front legs move. Not really that much, but they will move. Back legs move. You can see right there. Kick backwards and then forward. And then same thing with his other leg. His tail wags like a little puppy or something. But now let's get into its paint detail, and geez, these horns, they're very, very dark horns. Are they? These are used with these are made with a different plastic. They are. I'm sure they are made with a different plastic. I think. Yeah, they are. So I guess like they just have a unhorned Triceratops and just like stuff these horns into it. It's like they're Triceratops, but its eye is not orange. It is yellow. That's such a bright yellow. Looks like golden on the camera, doesn't it? And right here you'll see he has like these little like markings on his crest, because all Triceratops have different markings. Very scaly, and even more scaly than the Spino. His back is very scaly, as you all can see. Just had the my phone's at 20%, so I get this review kind of over with soon. So his legs are also very scaly. Yeah. And that's really it with the Triceratops. There's not much to talk about. Yeah, he does have little wrinkles everywhere. The bottom of his belly, just scales. So, yeah, I did have to say which one has better detail. I'm sorry, Spino, but it is the Triceratops. So, but I gotta say, I'm still a bigger fan of Spinosaurus. Still a bigger fan. Never ever gonna be a bigger fan of any other dinosaur. So, now we'll just put these two over here, and then we'll get to our last one, which is Toro. So, let me just get him out of his packaging prison. Okay, and there. Please, will you get out, my guy? And there's his packaging, snap squad, Carnotaurus, Creataceous, Jurassic, Creataceous, Netflix, Carnotaurus snapping, trademark. That's really it with the figure. Well, not the figure, but the packaging, because this figure is excellent. It's actually very good. But he does have the same eye problems with Spinosaurus. Give me more McDonald's. Don't need more McDonald's. I'm gonna snap you up. So, yeah. He does look pretty good. I will say that. It does look like a little cartoonish Toro with a big mouth. He has a bigger mouth than the Spino. Which one has a bigger mouth? You comment down below, but, yeah. He can snap like this. And then his little arms will go like that. They will actually, they don't touch his tip. He almost touches chin. And they'll go down. Same thing with the other arm. And then over here, his leg will go back and then forward, and back and then forward. Yeah, I think all these have loose limbs. They'll kick forward and then go back. Or maybe like some will hit target just like what. Okay. So, and then his little tail will wag. Yeah, that's very cute. So let's get into his paint and detail. Because you see he has a scar from the series. These yellow, golden eyes as they look at. Okay. So the difference between their eyes? Well, I would say the Trike's is more golden, but Toro's is pretty much the same. And yeah. So Toro is also having the case of the freckles, because look, he has these black little lines everywhere. Not lines, dots. And no, it would be brown, right? A brown. He has the same thing as the Spino, a scaly chin. And once you open up, you can get all that precious detail on the mouth. They're to be exquisite. That's not just a toy. It's not going to be like SH Monster Arts quality or Amber Collection even. But not really much detail on his little arms, his like his belly and stuff. I think it's some detail, and there's also trademark information on there. His feet have the same amount of detail as the Spino. Really overall, he has the same amount of detail as the Spino. Yeah. And he does have these little wrinkles on his legs, making him, I think, in my opinion, well, actually, no, I would say, no, which one's more realistic to you guys? Comment down below. And you'll get this brown on his back, brown, black, mud black, whatever. Got these little pointy parts on his tail. And yeah, that's Creataceous Toro, as I call him, Toro, because what it is based off of. Because you would see it is Toro because look at that giant scar. So yeah, that was the Snap Squad figures, and now we're gonna move on to these right over here. Okay, so I'm looking at two Attack Pack figures, and first we'll start out with Creataceous. This is one of my favorite dinosaurs, so I'm glad they actually made a figure. It's not as cool as a Spinosaurus, sorry, Creataceous, but it's still pretty good, in my opinion. So, yeah. Let's get you out of here. I do want to keep this, but I don't know how to get him out without damaging him. So, maybe if I can what would do knife? I don't really have access to it. Well, I have knife, just you don't really trust your kid with a knife. All parents do, normal parents. How would I get this guy out without damaging the box? I'll save this box while I'm talking about the packaging. So, Jurassic and Cretaceous, Creataceous, we got 3 of the members, Darius, Brooklyn, and Kenji. Creataceous, you have a little card that comes with it, and Netflix series, and then you got backgrounds. And on the back you see the other characters. You can get Bumpy, Creataceous, how do you call it? Coilers. I don't know how you say it. Shrodon, and then Creataceous. So, yeah. Just rolled facts out. You should download that if, let's scan the bottom of these. So, yeah. So, I know how to get them out now. Where this shows, Yep. How would I get you out with damaging the block? Well, you're just never gonna escape, bud. Sorry. No, I'm just joking. I'll find a way. The light, finds a way to get to you. Yeah. Wait. Have I just discovered something? probably still gonna say that. I really want to figure out how to at least get this thing out. Nope. Oh, I guess life does not find a way. Spray box is going to be damaged just a teeny tiny bit. Oh god. Already damaging the box. You know, let me watch a YouTube video on how to do this, because YouTube videos always figure out. I found a way, and I was just to get the adults to destroy the box. So, yep. I mean, it's fine, because, you know, there's like 2 other figures in this set, so, yeah. Those are just kids' toys, doesn't really matter. So, yeah. Wait. I already have one of these guys in the box. Something similar to this. Why do I even box collect? Huh. I don't even know why. So, this is the Proceratosaurus. I dare you all to say this 5 times, because you will not. But, yeah. So let's just get into what this guy does. His jaw will go down. And his head doesn't move. That's a surprise. Even his neck doesn't move. His two front arms will go up like that. Actually, they'll do a... They could do a full 360, but I don't want them to, because then they'll scratch up the legs. And these are new, so I don't want to get these damaged. And then his tail moves. And that's all they're gonna get for this guy. So, jaw moves. The legs have articulation in it, so there's the tail. Sounds familiar. I don't know, I'm just kind of surprised it both have the same amount of articulation. Isn't that surprising? But, wait, yeah, they do. They do. Anyways, this figure's paint and detail is amazing. So, he has some maroon paint around his eyes and on his nose and just right there. He has an orange above that, and he has his horn. Read. So, yeah, his chin is just white. His teeth are yellow with a red tongue that looks like a candy. So, his chest is actually kind of a dirty white. Is that even a color? I don't think it is, but yep, it is. So, and then most of him is dark blue, and his back is brown with this kind of little spine. And yeah, that's really it for him. He does have some pretty good detail, like he has all these bumps all over him, as you can see, like right there and right there. And then you have like, it's kind of wrinkly, so that just adds even more realism. And yeah, that was Proceratosaurus. And I'll just simply put him over here. There. Now, let's get into Creataceous. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? Yeah, I'm a dino expert, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah. Creataceous' jaw will go down like that, and then go right back up. By the way, his box is exactly the same as Proceratosaurus. That's why I'm not looking at it right now. I was looking at the box away, so yeah. Because, you know, if you rip out these figures out, you're just gonna destroy the box. That's how it's gonna be, okay? And his jaw will go down and go back up. His arms will go up and down. Go up and then down. And his leg will actually go kick forward and go back. And then same with his other leg, it will kick forward, no, kick back and then kick forward. And then his tail moves all the way around. So yeah, pretty much the same exact articulation. And yeah, that's really just it. So, anyways, so Lyris, the paint detail is this blue kind of streak going down on him. In the back, it's like kind of featherish. And then he has yellow eyes with a lot of blackish brown all over him. And then he's lime, one of my favorite colors. Yay! And then he has like these brown. Did I say brown? I think I discovered the color. So brown is going down right there, just like this brown streak. Did I say shriek? Brown is shrieking, guys, along this guy's back. But you'll see this brown streak shooting out like these brown lines towards his legs, his neck, and his arms. There's not really much detail on the arms, as you can see right there. Not really much. And his neck, it has like this little, I don't know what you call that. Just like extra skin that's been on there. Oh my goodness, he has all these bumps and scales, and just like put that together and it makes this really realistic figure. Not too realistic, but you get what I mean. Kind of realistic skin, so yeah, it goes all the way down, and he has a curved tail. Pretty cool. So now, if we get a human, you just like wrap around and be like, haha, you're dying, I'm choking you. So, yeah, these little brownish dots just all sparkle throughout him. And another little battery signal, so I'll probably get this charging downstairs when I'm editing the video. But anyways, it has black toes, and that is Lyris. A pretty good figure, not too shabby. Inside the mouth, you got like this red tongue, some white, like super white teeth, and it looks kind of wonky. Just look at him straight. Does that look wonky to you? Focus. Well, camera's not focusing, is it? So, yeah, Lyris, pretty good figure. I do say so myself. Here. And now, what I know you all have been waiting for. So this one shouldn't be too hard to open. Let's hope it's not a figure I already have to buy several of. Okay. Drum roll, please. There. It's a Bumpy. The third Bumpy. I don't hate it though. Look at that like a little sheep. And there's a little sheet for all the dinosaurs. Pretty cool. Indominus Rex. Special Metallic Edition. I think I have that Indominus Rex figure. Huh. Yeah, I think you could get most of these from the, what was it, Camp Cretaceous, like 15 packs, so I think I got a bunch of them. So, see Mini Action Dino, and that's it. Goodbye. So, thinking of Bumpy. I might actually do another review on this figure just because, as you know, the team pack set. I have that. I just need to find the Brachiosaurus, and I will do a review on it. And the River Attack pack. I might do a review on that one day. But here's Bumpy, the little baby dinosaur. Oh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. It's like Simba. Oh God. So, yeah, he only has articulation in his tail, and that's all we're going to be covering for articulation. So, yeah. His back is darker. It has a darker blue than his head. His little tiny bumpy head. So, you know Bumpy is Ankylosaurus, so yeah. There, he has turquoise on him. And then he's just, well, he has these black eyes that are staring into your soul at every moment whenever you sleep. So, yeah. That's the first time I coughed this entire video. Oh, that must be getting better. And he has this pukey brown, well not pukey brown, pukey yellow on him. So, yeah, that's Bumpy. Got scales on him, bumps, everything else like a Bumpy, and that's it. So, let me just show all people what we've been reviewing so far. We got Bumpy. Bumpy, Creataceous, Ceratosaurus, pretty cool, Spinosaurus, rawr, Carnotaurus Toro, the one who likes to eat McDonald's, and we have Triceratops. So, if you enjoyed today's review, you should probably subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm going to be a lot more active instead of just taking like a 2-week break. So, I'll be doing a lot more gaming actually. I'm trying to do Jurassic World Alive. Trying to do some Let's Plays for that. Some Run Godzilla Let's Plays, some Godzilla Destruction Let's Plays, and Godzilla Defense Force. You know, Godzilla YouTube channel and Jurassic World now. So yeah, all of you commenting that you want more Jurassic World reviews, you got that. So in return, you could subscribe to me. Pretty cool. Subscribe, please. Subscribe to other things too. CreepsClips. Subscribe to him. He's trying to reach 40 subs, so it would mean a lot to him if you subscribe to him. And my other friend, he started his own YouTube channel. His name is Panman. He's at like 4, 5, 6 subscribers. I know it also means a lot to him if you subscribe to him. So, yeah, hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.